Hey guys, day 18, leaving Wendell Shelter. It's like almost 8:30 in the morning, a little bit of a late start. I think I ate something bad or something happened last night. I woke up at like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and I had like violent shakes till about 12:30, and all of a sudden I threw up. And everything was fine again. I went right back to sleep, felt good, no more shakes. It was immediate like that. I'm guessing I ate something that just fucked with my stomach, I guess. That's all I can think of. Probably ate way too much cheese that Karen bought me. Yeah, that was rough though. I was thinking about having to go to the hospital. I couldn't control anything. But now I feel great, so. I give it a day or two, figure out what's going on, see if I get sick again. If I get sick again, I'll go to a clinic. Because then it's probably something else. Right now I feel great. Like right when I threw up, boom. Like everything was kosher. It was the craziest thing. So I'm getting ready to hit the trail. I'm not gonna do as big miles a day. I've only got like 28 miles or so to get to the northern terminus. So I'll probably do like 14 a day, 14 tomorrow or something like that. The weather looks kind of shitty. There's a chance of rain today, a bigger chance tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Just gotta take it as it comes. Talk to you later. Bye. Tell you what, got 22.5 yesterday. I made a mistake. I am sore as hell. But life goes on. Grab some water and a snack real quick. I was busting my ass this morning. Heading in B3. Those are awesome. The head's starting to get cold. My bald head. Young guys live it up. Well, you got it. If you have a wife and kids, this shit happens. I want to fill it fast, that's awesome. What will be doing a water carry. Thirsty anyway. In there. I don't know how far I've gone. Honestly, I don't really care today. I'm just gonna walk till about 4 o'clock. Probably. Every part of me hurts from yesterday. I don't know if it was the shakes that got me. Well, I'm sure the hike has something to do with it, but the shakes last night was fucking horrible. Maybe clean it stuff. so hard. Whoa, that's a lot. Sometimes you just need flavor. Woo. So I got to the top of Hermit Mountain. I didn't go down and see the caves of the side trail. And I just have no energy right now. I think I pushed it a little too far yesterday. And getting sick probably didn't help either. I don't know what happened. I ate something that messed me up. But, so I don't know how many miles I'm gonna do today. I'll be happy with 10. Just take it easy. It's supposed to rain in the morning. Temperature drop and then start snowing. So I'm just gonna kind of play the weather by ear. Might not finish trail tomorrow, might finish it on Wednesday. You know, if it's pouring down rain when I wake up, I'm just gonna chill in the tent, relax for a little bit longer until it starts snowing. That way, I don't get everything soaking wet, you know. But yeah, talked to a dude down there at the river. He's coming across, a neat dude. He's out there fly fishing. Same response as everybody else. He's like, "What are you doing?" Told him. What? But really nice guy. Sorry, I can't remember your name. I'm horrible about that. I think his name is Dan, or Bob. Something short. I know that. But I'm horrible about that. Oh. All right, I want to put this thing away. I got like 2 miles to get down to a road, and then it gets back in the woods, and then I got a long road walk. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey guys. Sometimes you gotta listen to your body. My body today was telling me not to go any further, so I only did 12 miles. But it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. It's supposed to rain tonight. Into the morning, it starts snowing. So I think I just pushed it too far yesterday with the weight of my pack and everything. But so I had that 22 miles was. My body's feeling like I'm feeling my hips and my back and everything. And then last night I ate something that messed me up, and I had like convulsive shakes for about 2 hours. And I actually started Googling like where urgent care centers were and stuff like that. And then I got sick, and like boom, like that, I felt so much better. I went right to sleep. So it was something I ate. It just, I guess, messed me up. I didn't even get sick that much, but it was enough to where, like, right when I got sick, I mean, the shakes went away, everything. So I'm keeping an eye on it. You know, if it happens again, I'll definitely go to a clinic. But right now, I think I'm okay. Just today was just cold, dreary day. Watching a spider climb up my tent. Yeah, it wasn't a bad day. I just wasn't feeling it. My pack is heavy. I'm gonna take a little nap and then do up some dinner in a couple hours. Just relax. I did get a score. I went by this farm and they had apple cider, so I got like a half-gallon apple cider. I actually carried that thing 2 miles. I'm thinking about well, I'll drink it through the night, but I'm thinking about heating it up in the morning so I can have some like hot apple cider for breakfast. You know, I do have a couple oatmeal packets, so that'd go really good. But yeah, so I haven't got any videos up. My reception sucks. I can't even send pictures half the time to my wife and stuff. But I'll get them up as soon as I can. I'm still trucking. Since I cut today a little short, I'm definitely not finishing tomorrow. I think I got like 22 miles or something like that. But I'll definitely be done Wednesday, and then spin around and start heading toward the Appalachian Trail. So I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.